everything's packed? We're getting ready to go?
Absolutely. Good to go. That stuff ain't going nowhere.
It's nowhere.
Yep.
But we're going somewhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, stay tuned for the trip. 4-hour trip to the Catskills, and we'll keep you posted.
See you soon.
See you there.
Soon. Hey, we made it. We're here somewhere in the Catskills. And we got the Wasbros over there. We ran into a little storm, but we were able to weather it.
Well,
We have 4 days of adventure, of exploration, journey. And each day we'll bring a new journey. We're going to keep you posted.
Fred, can you keep it down? I'm trying to text here.
Yeah, and I thought there was a rule there's no electronics.
I'm going to take advantage of Starlink.
That is pretty cool. 4 full packed days, hiking, fishing, biking, exploring, and this is kicking off a whole 2-month series till Labor Day. Adventures in the Catskills, outdoors with Papa.
Make sure you get pepperoni.
Is it? Did you get
You
pepperoni?
want pepperoni? Yeah. All right, yeah.
All right, good.
Pepperoni.
Here we go.
Yeah.
All right, we'll talk to you soon.
All right, thanks. All right, yeah.
Well, good morning. It's had some nice rain last night, and we're here just getting the coffee ready out of the bin, but everything's looking beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. We gotta set up the bird feeder and see what kind of birds we're gonna get over here in the Catskills. I can hear them. I can see some barn swallows, but this is day one.
Oh, gentlemen, there's still some half beans in here. One awesome. Of course.
Coffee snobs. We need coffee to get to camp.
Here we are, we're getting ready for our hike. We're just gonna look at the gear set situation here. All right, looking good. Easy access, gimbal, most important. You got your Armageddon safety knife. Very nice, very nice. What do we got here?
Standard issue REI Sense trekking poles
Those are nice.
by Nikon Z6 II mirrorless camera with zoom lens.
Oh, the Teton.
And then
Yes.
the Nikon with my
Yep.
full capacity bladder.
And with the fruit back there, it looks very appealing. This should be good.
Oh.
As you can see, this is the east side of the slide mountain. But
Should we go to Fripp Island or what? So I think we should do that now.
Yeah, definitely.
But I'm not going to film while I'm hiking because that's just not a good idea.
One step at a time.
All right, let's see. And it's still filming. Holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen. That is awesome. No cracks.
Did the land face up or down?
Nice spot. Yeah, we're just doing photo shoots for the AARP magazine, and so we're going to send in some stuff, see what happens. Gotta look up once in a while.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome.
You notice how these have steps?
Yeah, I love a good step.
be good if I press this on. All right. We're going to head down to the river, and we're going to build a new camp ring and our campsite. Do some campfire cooking and hanging out today. All right. We're down here by the river. I think we got a nice spot. So stay tuned and pay attention, and this is going to go by fast. Now that was awesome, but look how fast we got everything done, and Unky's going to give us a tour of the whole camp setup. So here we go.
Hey everybody, it's Unky. Here we are. We already saw the process of beginning to end with the fireplace, and we're going to just take you through a little tour of what we have here. Starting with our firewood pile, complete with nice, fire, tool, stick that you always, mandatory for any campfire. Always use nature to your advantage, everything you got. We have our hatchets, we have our axes, we have our shovels. You'll see here we have a nice grading happening around the fire. Balance is very key when around a fireplace. You do not want to lose your footing. Here's our kindling station that's going to start the fire, get things going before the big dogs hit the flame. Uncle Francis, who is an engineer, engineered this whole setup for the cooking. We have rocks reinforced with river or stream sand to create a level and very safe cooking area. You see a very nice cast iron pan there. Adjacent to the fireplace, we have our warming rocks. Okay, here we have a nice stew pot and a nice breakfast cast iron pan. These are going to be warming rocks. In the morning, that's where our coffee's going after it gets done with the fire. It's also going to be when the meal's done. It's going to rest there and stay in a nice warming state. Here I have an auxiliary cutting board. All right, this is we're going to chop some onions. If I got to take anything off the fire and slice it and put it back on, that's what this bad boy is going to be. Obviously, it's going to have some retention of radiant heat from the fire, so it's going to be a nice little piece to go along with our actual cooking station, safely away from the fire, complete with wooden cutting board. We do not encourage any bacterial growth here at Outdoors with Papa on a very safe and level table. Speaking of safe, we created some nice flat stone areas, so when you're walking around the campfire, any stone you have around the campfire is flat, so you have a safe, level walking area. We hope you enjoy watching the videos of this just as much as we enjoyed making them and creating this wonderful campfire. We'll be talking to you.
And of course we have the viewing area, the safe distance away from the fire, 3-4 feet minimum.
Holy smokes, there you have it. My goodness, we got my brothers are outdoor enthusiasts, and they're special guests for this long weekend extravaganza that we have here with the bros, Outdoors with Papa. And we're going to take a break. We're going to get something, a little snack, maybe some afternoon latte. We're going to have a full cooking demonstration. Are we going to surprise them with the meal? Or?
I think we'll surprise it, yes.
All right, we're going to have a surprise meal for you right here. It's dinner time. Let's get this fire going.
Oh, one. I'm done. Nice job. Primary.
You have the fire going, and Chef Funky. I love that name.
Well, we got ourselves a nice slab here. This rock is going to act as a cutting board for us. I already washed it down in the river and cleaned it off. I'm going to oil it up a little bit and let it work in. Use your hands. It's camping. It's all part of the process. You'll notice my hands are clean because we already washed this off. But the oil will give it some friction, not only for the onions itself, but for my knife. That stone on knife isn't a bad thing. but it does help out with the longevity of the knife and the lifespan of it. So we got this oil down, and just like a cast iron, the more you're going to use this rock, the more seasoned it's going to get. And they are porous. So for the onion, got my trusty camp knife here.
That's a nice knife. Can you tell me about that knife?
It was one of my great friends, Presley Best, is a forger. He made this for me. Symbol that he has. That's his signature for knives. This was our grandfather's plumbing wrenches. Old school 1910, 1920 plumbing wrenches that probably, unless you're work on a submarine, you don't really need the use for those plumbing wrenches anymore. So he forged everything into a nice all-purpose hunting knife for me that I use for camping, for every single use there. So we're just gonna cut this knife up.
Oh man.
And it's gonna be our base for our stew we're making tonight.
I love onions.
So
all right.
Tastes better off a rock.
Yes.
Guaranteed.
Well, as you just saw, we're just getting the fire right where we want the timbers to come down into a coal presence. The heat will come up to the grate and we'll start getting these onions going. Anyway, just a gorgeous night here in the Catskills. These are the headwaters to the Neversink River. This is actually the east branch of the Neversink. Where it junctions with the west branch, connects the main Neversink River, which heads to the Neversink Reservoir, which eventually feeds New York City water. One of many reservoirs. New York City water is delicious water, and it's all right here, the pristine Catskills. I am hungry. Real nice heat, coals, and the onions are here.
Until I tell you not to. Keep going. All right. All right, we are good to go. And here we are. The finished products. Over to the warming stones. Some turkey.
Oh, that looks delicious.
And bean stew at various spices.
This is delicious. Oh, this is the best part. Sourdough bread. Oh, man. Go to town. Woo! That's good. What a gorgeous morning. I haven't seen any fish jump, but it's a little cool this morning. Gonna get myself the fire going over here. Get breakfast on the table. The charcoals are still warm from last night. We did put the fire out, but there's a nice bed of warm charcoals. And I'm going to use this to get the fire going. Cast iron's nice and hot. We're going to take the cast iron pan and put it on a warming table. We're going to throw in a sausage. Hear that sizzle. It's nice with the cast iron. It retains the heat enough that you get these little sausage links all charred up and cooked like you want. You don't necessarily have to do it on the fire. It's the flat one. There we go. We're going to get these cooked up. And we're going to do some fried eggs.
Sounds good.
Good measure.
We'll have to balance that out.
Yeah. All right. Give me your plates. All right, we're enjoying this delicious campfire meal, and my brother Unky is a special guest because this is an official crossover, Outdoors with Papa and
At Food Waz on Instagram. Follow my culinary adventures, both the stuff I prepare and the stuff I eat.
how's this breakfast?
Delicious. Can't beat it.
Whoa, man.
Campfire cooking.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's eat up because we got a big bike ride coming up.
All right, take care,
See you
everybody.
soon.
At Food Waz.
Oh, man. That's delicious. Woo! Good. All right. Waz Bros, what are we doing today for a great event with Outdoors with Papa, your brother?
20-mile bike ride on a rail to trail, one of the greatest inventions that this country's ever put down on pavement.
Yeah, you think about reuse, recover, recycle, right?
But I'm in full support of repurposing old railroad connection routes, as in rails, to bike routes for
That's awesome.
commuters or for recreational use.
Monkey, you got any thoughts on that?
Nope, my butt is padded, and I'm looking forward to the adventure, physical activity, fellowship, and just nature in general.
But yeah, nothing else to add.
Yeah, but thank you for the commentary, and we're on the road again. Here we are, right near the trailhead. We're gonna see some awesome views of the Gunks, New Paltz, just beautiful farmland, and I guess we'll get some lunch at some point. Sounds good. Whoa, how about this? Woo! Video. Whoa, look at that steel work. Oh yeah, the Wallkill Bridge. Wallkill River Trail, is that where we're on? I already lost my back. Here it is. The Wallkill Valley Trail.
We need our bikes, ourselves, and the water, and the bridge.
Yeah, I gotta get my bike thing. Oh,
Fred, this bike is not too big for you?
no. This is pretty cool. This is the Rosendale Trestle, and just has some spectacular views, and we're just outside of New Paltz on the Wallkill Valley Rail Trail. Ah, spectacular. What a day. Any day is to be out, good to be outside, right? For crying out loud, you want to get outside, take a hike, take a bike, have some fun. Great little spot right here in New Paltz off the trail. Underground coffee and ales, burger, salads, and all of the above. Look at this. What a cozy spot. All right. Day 3 of the Catskill adventure with the Waz Bros. And what a great day today. As you can see, we had a wonderful day biking on this rail trail. And we are tired. We're going to have some dinner, check out the sunset, sit by the fire of the river. Not sure what's going on tomorrow, but we will certainly bring it to you. All right.
Good afternoon. Yes, a little drizzly today. We're going to hit the stream and do some fly fishing. We're going to tie on some sulfur duns, some gray fox, kind of representing the mayflies. But we'll see what happens. It's about 62 degrees outside. I anticipate the water is going to be right around the same temperature, and I think we'll have some fun. So right now I'm just going to put the flies on the tippets of the lines, and then we'll head down to the streams.
Well, hello there. I lost audio, and so I am dubbing in what I thought I remembered saying about how beautiful the East Branch of the Neversink River is. It's just wonderful, and I am here with my bros, and we're going to get ready to cast. Of course, my one brother is just relaxing, waiting for me to set up his line, and my other brother is on his cell phone. And, you know, what is this all about? We're supposed to be out here fishing, and it looks like I'm going to be the guide, which is okay, but I'm going to enjoy it anyway.
The line tries to get ahead of the fly a little bit in the current. You want to mend the line. It's just the bonus. It's beautiful out here, and just dabbling around and seeing what's in the stream and hanging out with your bros. I think we're going to go in and get something to eat. We're having a great time. It's we're at the Russian Mule.
Yeah, it's a brewery, good eats, art center, and we're celebrating my brother Francis' birthday. And here we are right here. We're having a good time. Happy birthday. We're going to enjoy a good meal and good beer.
Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It was fun having my brothers up here, Unky and Uncle Francis. And what a great way to start the summer series of Adventures in the Catskills. There's more to come. And if you like this, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. And for crying out loud, if you get a chance, get outside, take a hike, take a break, go fishing, or just enjoy the great outdoors. We'll see you soon.
Are we going on a big adventure?